Next posture, we will look at Urdhva Dhanurasana, also known as the wheel pose or Chakrasana variation. It's a full back bending pose and it requires some strength in your wrist, in your shoulder, and also you will need to prepare with all the basic back bending asanas, which is the Cobra, Bhujangasana, Dhanurasana, Camel pose, Ustrasana, and also you will need wrist strength and arm strength. So for that you'll have to work with your knee, chest, chin, chaturanga, and also your upward facing dog. So all these asanas can be quite beneficial if you practice it before and then do the wheel pose variation. And it's also like a slight inversion. Okay, so let's look at it. So you'll have to lie down onto your back. The alignment is almost similar to Setu Bandhasana. So you have to keep your feet hip distance. Heel touch your fingertips, or about this distance should be fine. And now we'll have to bring your hands here towards the shoulder. So if you look at this posture, you'll have to work with the shoulder flexibility and mobility as well. So you'll have to work with this. Okay. So I'll just do the posture. So your hands is to the shoulder. Very important is your elbow position here. Elbows should not open to the side. Elbows stays pointing up towards the ceiling. Okay. And fingers are spread. Check with your feet. And when you're ready, remember the bridge pose, the Setu Bandhasana, that's a preparation. Okay. So you almost do from the bridge itself like that. So inhale. So see, this is like the bridge. And then press into your hands and slowly lift your chest and the upper body up and hold it here into Urdhva Dhanurasana. See my arm turn, rotation outwards like this. Neck is free, not doing anything with the neck. Eye stays open. Press into your feet. Initially hold it for at least 10-15 seconds. Gradually increase it up to 30 seconds. Thighs roll in, that's a key point here. And see that you are not forcing into the back bend. Breathe. And to come out of the posture, you have to come down in the same way. So exhale, chin to the chest, slowly coming back on the mat. And then bring your knees to the chest. So with this knees to the chest, it will become like a counter stretch for your back. If you don't want to do this, it's okay to just come down here, take a couple of seconds, and then you can do this. Yeah, so this is about Urdhva Dhanurasana. Let's look at some advanced variations of Urdhva Dhanurasana. So the variations of Urdhva Dhanurasana can be followed once you get some good strength and stability in your normal Urdhva Dhanurasana. So you should be able to hold it comfortably for at least 30 seconds or 45 seconds. That means you're ready for the variations. So let's explore some variations of the posture. Yeah, so you lie down onto your back. Legs are folded, hip distance apart. Hands is beside, so you can check with your feet. And then when you're ready, so we'll start with the Urdhva Dhanurasana first. So check your hands, elbow position, pointing upwards, okay? So to do it, exhale first, or just take a couple of breaths. When you're ready, inhale, press into your feet and your hands slowly come up into Urdhva Dhanurasana. So once you feel quite stable here, then you can start with the variations. You bring your feet little close to each other and then press into your standing foot, the right foot, and slowly bring the left knee to the chest. Okay, so this is a variation. If you feel comfortable, you can even extend the leg up towards the ceiling. And this time we will press with your left leg and bring the right knee towards the chest. And then we can extend the right leg up towards the ceiling. Coming back, exhale, and then bring the legs close to each other or knees close to the chest. So the variations can be a little challenging, and I think it needs good warm-up so that you can really hold the position for some time.